Hello, I'm Maria Rosati, contributing editor at Wealth Management Magazine. Today, I'm joined by Michelle Tran, interim president and vice president, head of sales and services at TMX Datalinx. Michelle, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you, Maria, for having me.
To start off, tell me a little bit about TMX Datalinx.
Well, TMX Datalinx is the information service division of TMX Group, owner and operator of Canada's premier equities and derivatives exchange, including Toronto Stock Exchange, TSX Venture, Montreal Exchange, as well as our two clearinghouses, Canadian Derivatives Clearing Corporation, as well as the Canadian Depository for Securities. TMX Datalinx gives global investors access to our Canadian capital markets, as well as our well-diversified company listings through our real-time, historical, analytics, and other data products to support clients in their trading needs, their compliance needs, their regulatory needs, and whatever they need, their needs are in terms of helping them generate alpha or saving them cost. We provide a complete breadth and depth of coverage of our marketplace via a wide range of options to make it accessible and modernized for our clients.
Wow, sounds great. So tell me a little bit about trading in Canada. How does that differentiate from other markets?
Maria, that's a great question. We get asked that quite a lot. Canada is a popular destination for international investors, as we have a stable political climate, a banking system that is ranked as one of the soundest in the world, and a multitude of growing sectors that provide diversification opportunities. And there are quite a few companies that are globally recognized for leading innovation in these sectors. And TSX has a proven history of supporting companies, and we are also one of the first ones to develop the world's first ETF and the first exchange in the world to offer ETFs on Bitcoin. We are the largest capital markets in Canada, ranked as top 10 in the world. And we also have a market cap of 4.1 trillion combined for our TSX and TSX Venture Exchange.
So tell me a little bit about the industries that make up your market.
We definitely have a very diversified industry. The three biggest sectors on the TSX are our financials, materials, and industrials. We are also home to some of Canada's world's most well-known companies, such as Shopify, Suncor, Royal Bank, and Interim. I'm sure you've heard of some of them. We are also seeing a lot of growth in technology in mining, clean tech, and renewable energy sectors. At TMX, we are constantly innovating to bring these companies and industries to the market by providing them and investors with choice and by making them successful. In addition to equities and derivatives, we have a significant portfolio of exchange-traded funds, income trust funds, as well as investment funds. Definitely, we want to make it with a lot of options for clients to be able to fit in their portfolio.
So what are the best indices for investors to trade in Canada?
So we definitely have a lot. Choice is the magic word for us, and we want to provide a lot of availability and choice. So TSX has over 80 S&P TSX indices that clients can choose from to achieve alpha, as well as diversification. The most widely used one is called S&P TSX 60, which has most of our large cap companies in them, and it has a market cap of 2.3 billion, which includes constituents such as Shopify and Constellation Software. S&P TSX also recently launched the S&P TSX ESG Index, really responding to clients' need and demand in terms of sustainability, as well as working to respond to our clients' needs. And that's one example of where we pivot.
Where can investors, global investors, get access to your data?
Like I said, we have a large volume of global investors as it stands today. And choice is what we want to provide with our clients. What we want to do is provide them with options in terms of directly connecting to us or going through various vendor platforms or even going through offering cloud offerings. What we want to do is make it as flexible as possible and provide our real-time data feeds to them. And what we did was we created a group called the Canadian Exchange Group, which basically provides them with real-time transmission, such as our real-time last sale, our bid-ask, earnings, dividends, and bulletins for the Canadian junior and senior equities, which also includes our indices for our TSX and TSX Venture Exchange. So really what we want to do is package up Canada so the world can see it. But if anybody wants more details, we definitely have a very comprehensive website, tmxinfoservices.com.
So much information. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure.
Great. Thanks a lot, Maria.